this might help to some people. If you got a Ranger 900, 1000, like 14, 15, 16, 17 model, they have fuse box problem, which is they get it corroded like this, and wires will fall out. Which is you're gonna need to do is get you one of these Razor fuse box, like Razor. I think 900, 1000, they have these sealed fuse, and you will need to do all this headache. If you don't know what you're doing, you better don't do it. So if you know what you're doing, you can get it done. If not, you'll find somebody who can do this for you, or change the new harness. That's the only options you got. So if it helps somebody, thumbs up, like it, enjoy it, comment, and we'll post more stuff about the Ranger with their problem issues.